As civilization has progressed over the years, mankind has used steel in the widest variety of applications, starting from basic infrastructure to the use of steel in household products, which provide comfort and security in daily life. Of all the metals, the use of iron and steel gained maximum popularity because of its flexibility in use and cost-effectiveness. Rolling is one of the most important metal forming processes in which metal is shaped by passing it through rolls revolving at the same peripheral speed. Rolls give perfect size, shape, and metallurgical properties to steel strips, plates, beams, channels, etc. by reducing or changing the cross-sectional area of a workpiece by the compressive forces exerted by the rotating rolls. Gontermann-Peippers India Limited, an ISO 9001-2000 company, is established near the cultural capital of India, Kolkata, the city of joy, and home to Nobel laureates Rabindranath Tagore, Mother Teresa, and Amartya Sen. Located conveniently with an airport and 2 seaports nearby and connected to all the major cities by air, road, and rail, the company is logistically well located to meet both Indian and international demands. Having started operations in 1966 in collaboration with Gontermann-Peippers Siegen, Germany, a leading European manufacturer of rolling mill rolls since 1825, the company has been the fastest growing roll manufacturer in India with a 40% market share in cast rolls and 55% in forged rolls. The company started production in 1968 and was acquired in 1981 by the Ispat Group, a global multi-product conglomerate having interests in the steel and ferroalloys industry. Since then, the company has always been on a fast growth track, serving the steel industry and keeping pace with the changes in the product requirements. Major expansion and modernization programs, along with the induction of state-of-the-art technology, has kept the company on the leading edge of rolling mill rolls technology, with a product range from SG iron rolls to the latest generation high-speed steel roll and backup rolls for steel rolling mills. The company is the only one of its kind in India to have both vertical and horizontal spin casting facilities, and this is backed with extensive knowledge in the area of roll manufacturing and application. In 1995, the company took a step forward and set up the forged steel rolls plant under the supervision of Japanese experts from leading companies such as Toshiba, Sanken Sangyo, and Mitsubishi. The first Indian roll manufacturer to receive the ISO 9001 certification, Gontermann-Peippers India is also the only roll manufacturer to achieve TPM Level 1. It has a proven track record of reliability and production of quality rolls for over 40 years. With a capacity to produce over 18,000 metric tons of finished rolls, it is one of India's leading producers of both cast and forged steel rolls. The company sells about 60% of its products in the domestic market, and the balance is exported to leading steel plants of USA, Canada, China, South Korea, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, Latin America, and Europe. Customizing products to meet industry needs, the company has been able to innovate and supply specific products and performance solutions which have resulted in our prominence at conventional hot strip mills, compact strip processing mills, staple mills, plate mills, heavy, medium and light structural mills, and cold rolling mills. The quality assurance system of Gontermann-Peippers India oversees the manufacturing process at every step: raw material selection, melting, casting, heat treatment, and machining. Through a variety of controls and stringent checks from the raw materials to the finished products, the quality of the rolls is maintained at the highest levels. Appropriate supervision by qualified and experienced engineers, along with a skilled workforce, ensures that the products are manufactured according to customer specifications. The company's customized products range from indefinite chilled cast iron rolls to induction hardened forged steel rolls. Our rolls are available in diameters ranging from 250 mm to 1600 mm and weighing from 150 kg to 42 metric tons a single piece. A proud recipient of the EEPC Excellence Award for 6 consecutive years and the Best Foundry Award from the Institute of Indian Foundrymen, the company has always aspired for higher levels of excellence in all aspects of its operations. Keeping in mind the global concern for conservation of the environment and our own responsibilities as a corporate citizen, Gontermann-Peippers India is working towards ISO 14001 certification. As part of its corporate social responsibility initiative, the company has supported the promotion of computer education in many primary schools in the rural sectors of West Bengal, India. The company has many firsts to its credit. Over the years, it has relentlessly worked its way towards the top. It is no wonder then that it is the first Indian company to export high chromium iron rolls, develop the 42-ton plate mill rolls, standardize ICDP and high chromium iron rolls for the CSP plants, produce cast backup rolls for CSP plants, and induction-hardened forged steel rolls. Innovation and product upgradation is a continuous process at Gontermann-Peippers, India. Its Research and Development Center is equipped with most modern facilities like the Leica Image Analyzer, which is used for microstructure observation, micro-hardness testing, photography and identifying amount of different phases, and Magma, a software which simulates solidification characteristics and properties and suggests improvements as well before the actual casting process is undertaken. Gontermann-Peippers India also has highly qualified human resources and has been recognized as an approved research and development unit by the Government of India's Directorate of Scientific and Industrial Research. Striving towards higher levels of business excellence, the company has adopted various modern business initiatives like TPM, currently at level 1, headed towards level 2, Six Sigma, economic value addition through implementation of performance management system, customer relationship management to achieve and sustain continual improvements in the business process. With a vision to create and expand a knowledge-based organization, constantly seeking opportunities globally and enhancing customer satisfaction, the company is well poised to be counted among the top 10 roll manufacturers in the world. At Gontermann-Peippers India, every manufacturing activity is planned with process traceability through a well-knit, integrated, computerized audit system, supported by the latest version of SAP. With a global marketing network and technically competent marketing and sales team, well trained in rolling mill practices and roll application engineering, the products come with an assurance of competent after-sales servicing. The list of clients stands as testimony and creates the hallmark to the quality, grade and durability of the products of Gontermann-Peippers India Limited. We invite you to be a business partner and share our experience and achievements in this journey towards excellence.